Anyone who knows me knows that I love a good bourbon or a good whiskey. Naturally, I enjoy going to the distilleries where these whiskeys and bourbons are made and learning about the process, learning about the history, everything that goes into it. While I'm visiting a distillery, I obviously enjoy going in and tasting what they have to offer, as well as going to the gift shop, buying a bottle or two, and picking up a whiskey disc if they offer them. For those who've never seen them, a whiskey disc is just a ceramic disc that you put in your freezer for a while, get it cold, then put it in your glass, pour your whiskey on top. It'll cool your whiskey without watering it down. As you can imagine, there are tons of whiskey distilleries with more opening every day. And as I visit them, I'm going to get more discs. So I designed this piece to be expandable. So as my collection grows, so will this piece. For this piece, I decided to use a few different species of wood. All of these are just boards that I've had laying around from extra projects, so they're readily available. But I used oak for the base, I used ash, which is that lighter color wood for the back of the holders, I used cherry for the little spacers, not a major part of this, just accent basically. And then I went with walnut for the fronts because they have a good contrast with the whites of the whiskey disc. Part of the video. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed it. Also, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more.